Let me give you a quick time management technique on scoring 70 out of 70 in class 12 physics board examination. You know the exam is for 180 minutes and you have 70 marks to achieve. And the exam is divided into 4 parts. Part A is very simple. I would suggest to complete it within 20 minutes. And part B and C together, you have to complete within 1 hour. My suggestions are part B spend 20 minutes, part C spend 30 minutes. And part D is the most important, where you will be spending entire 1 hour, which consists of numericals and derivations. On numerical, spend a maximum of 20 minutes. On a worst case scenario, you shouldn't go more than 15 minutes per question. And derivations, easily you can cover in 30 minutes. So if you approach this strategy, you will complete the entire exam in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Still you will be having 30 minutes remaining. So these 30 minutes you can revisiting every questions. I have made a detailed explanation of every topic from class 12 physics syllabus. These topics are very simplified for you. There are around 250 videos we have created. Go watch every topic from every chapters and visit our channel. In every week we'll be solving more numericals. If you do this consistently for the rest of the month till your board examinations, you can easily get 70 out of 70. Follow for more.